would you eat right next to the front door?
Oh my gosh, I'm so popular.
That's a candle. That's a candle. That's a candle. What do you eat, Isaac?
What is it?
Nothing!
Oh my
Hold on.
goodness.
Wait,
Really?
What?
Sausage.
Okay. See, taste that.
Okay.
This is for like.
That'll be $15.
Oh shoot.
It's a $1, but
I'm 100,000 in debt.
Oh! I got $1.
I got $1. I got $1.
beans?
Prasten savar singa tankar och överblicken. Hornarna. Jag kan se hur han uppfattar styrka att genomforma det här med glöd. Feder O'Reilly tar sats från sitt innersta. Ni couch för Mingo.
Am I doing alright?
Yeah, look that way.
They got more
This way?
couches?
There you go.
Okay, I'm gonna go explore the... You're doing it right. I need my shades, that's what's missing.
Hey,
You didn't
Walk,
see
wait,
me?
walk by.
that's not how you supposed to. Oh, there you go. Okay, so if I go, is it gonna take a picture?